Guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. This is Ron again from wahpinas.com, and we're doing another first for Leagoo. It's a China phone that I was able to buy in Shopee. It's only 4,000 pesos something. And it just arrived today. It was 4,199 when I bought it. Now it's 4,899. Okay? So we'll open up. As you can see, it's sealed, plastic sealed. Okay. My favorite handy dandy switchblade, which we bought from Lazada. Naman, that was way back. Kulang pa yung pinadala sa akin ng lintik na seller. At hindi na nila pinadala yung kulang. Anyway, so this the Leagoo M13. It's supposed to be 6.1 inches with water drop and IPS na screen, ano. And it's supposed to have 4 gig RAM. Okay. So medyo may kasama na siyang case. Oh, nice. Okay. So that's it. The other things that come in the box is silica gel. Okay, the wall charger and the USB cord. Wait, let's see if it's USB or Type-C. And it's a micro USB. Okay, so we'll put that back. We don't need it now. Okay. Tapos may magreklamo na, hindi mo na naman nilabas lahat. Bahala ko. Anyway, so here's the phone, and apparently it comes already with its casing. So may protective case na siya. Okay, let's remove the protective case muna. Okay, there it is. Okay, tear off the battery film before you use. Okay. So I assume removable. Yes, okay. So this is one model na removable ang likod. And the battery film there is there. So this is very good precaution for unnecessary fires and contact. Okay. So we're pretty sure that maganda yung nila, no? Ang hirap nga tanggalin. Okay. And it says here it's a lithium polymer battery, 3,000 milliamperes. Can you see it? The video is being taken using the Samsung M20 that we have. The color is the one that I bought is the Twilight. Okay. Tama ba? Yes, Twilight. That's what they call it. Okay. Ganda ng shading niya, no? So we'll power it on. Yeah, okay. Mali pala. The volume button and the power button is on the right side, pero medyo almost in the middle. Okay, not like most of the other phones na medyo is on the top. This is a Kata, I think M4, diba? And as you can see, even if you compare it with the Poco phone, see? Okay. So it's opening now. Medyo makapal siya, no? So parang nakaangat yung screen niya. Di ba? Ayan, no? So, from the body. Can you see? Ayan. Okay, so yun. It's a micro USB as I mentioned earlier, and the headset jack is on the top. So we're waiting for it to turn on. While we're waiting, okay, I'll tell you something about the specs. It's supposed to be a dual SIM, a 32 GB built-in storage. Oh, what happened? It didn't turn on. Okay. So habang nag-on, buksan natin ulit so we can show the. Okay. So it looks like it uses 2 nano SIMs. Okay, 1 and 2, and expandable with a micro SD slot. I'm not sure if this is a new model. I just saw it on sale, so I bought it so that we have something to unbox again. And maybe we might be giving these away also on the either here or in the YouTube channel. Okay, so we'll skip the setup of the Wi-Fi muna. Okay, so I'm gonna peel this off already. Okay, remember that time na yung cloud phone in the box ko. Okay, so we'll close that. Okay. Back. Skip muna. Okay. Not now. Skip anyway. So apparently meron siyang fingerprint scanner din in the back. See there. medyo mahirap tanggalin. But I like the gradient color niya ng purple, well, which they call twilight. Okay. So if you compare it to the Poco phone, we'll remove it also from the case, the Poco. It's much more thinner, no? So there. So yan, kita niyo pantay. So there's about a couple of 1 centimeter difference. So manipis siya ng konti, pero in terms of sizing, halos magkasing tangkal lang siya, pero mas payat siya. Okay? So we'll open the settings so that you see exactly how much is left. Okay, the storage. Okay, out of the 32 gig, it already uses about 6.6. So you have 20 something gig left. So we'll open the storage manager. Okay. Okay. As I mentioned earlier, it's 3,000 milliamperes in battery. It's supposed to have 4 gig RAM, 8 megapixel back camera. Okay, it's a dual camera, no? So it doesn't say here in the specs on what the other side is. The front camera is supposed to be 5 megapixels. So let's check. That's the rear camera. So looks good, ano? The coloring looks good. We'll open the settings. Okay. So it says here the back is 8 megapixels. So it doesn't say about the other one. So we'll search it later in a little while. Balik na rin natin. Okay. So you can see that's a Samsung M20. It's also in the case. So it's 5 megapixels. Okay. It's phantom purple yung akin. It's supposed to be Android 9.0 already. So system, language, okay, language, blah blah blah. About phone is the M13. It says there. IMIE Android 9.0. See, okay. And it's supposed to be LTE na. Okay. So I like the way it looks. Let's test the camera ng mabilisan. Not my face. Medyo blurry yung front camera nyo. So I'm not sure why. Pero it's using a teardrop design. Mali. Ang hirap ng ayun, okay. So can you see it? Okay. Try natin. Medyo mabagal siya mag-focus ng autofocus. Pero once if you focus it by yourself, look. Ang ganda din. So, pwede na. So, that's a quick unboxing of the Leagoo M13 cell phone. We'll try to do a quick impressions to review of this in the next couple of days. Pero, looks like it's nice. It doesn't say anything in the specs about the camera, the second camera in the back. So, we'll find out soon. Ito pala meron. Front camera is 5 megapixel. Rear camera is 8 megapixel autofocus in a sub 2 megapixel camera. So we'll be testing this out in the next couple of days and I'll let you know. And it has a plastic rubber casing. Thanks guys. Bye.